For the brown rice with fried rice that we are going to do, so we will see how we are going to do with more vegetables and with a little chicken I am going to do. We can do with chicken, but I will explain either with the chicken, or you can do even with prawns or whatever, or only with the chicken alone. Vegetables we can put and do it. Now we have put the chicken with bones. I have used the salt, pepper, turmeric, and there is a little water. Raw meat, water comes out. So I am going to mix it nicely, and then what I am going to do is keep for 10 minutes before I start cooking. Now what I am going to do is nicely mix the chicken with pepper, salt and turmeric, kept for 10 minutes. Then I will put all this mixture into it, and then I will on the cooker. We will see the water will come out from that. If the water comes out, of course, okay. If not, I will add a little bit of water, just a wee bit. If it is any other meat, mutton or any other meat, if you are using, more water we have to put and allow this to get cooked. Prawns, if you are using, don't add it now. With the vegetables we can add it. So now see how we are cooking. Now you can see, any pan you can use, not that it has to be non-stick, but it's nice to use easier cooking. Now I can see, I will add the oil and start stir frying. I might have to use a little more oil later, but now I add a little oil and I start stir frying. While I am stir frying, what I am going to do is, I will add a few spices. I will use the star anise. Maize, if you like, you can use a piece of maize, few pieces of cinnamon, cloves. I didn't use only the cinnamon and cardamoms only I used. I am going to use the onions, long shreds, capsicum, ginger and garlic, curry leaves, crush the curry leaves and add, pandan leaf, all that you put, nicely stir fry. Now I will use the carrots. Carrots are a little harder than the leeks and the cabbage, so we will add that. Leeks and the cabbage. Thin strips only I have cut. Thin strips only I have cut. Now I think I might have to use a little more oil. More vegetables we have put, we'll use a little more oil. I haven't still added any seasoning, but we will stir fry this. Poppy seeds gives better taste. You can use a little poppy seeds, about a chicken cube. Crush the chicken cube and add it. Nicely stir fry this. For the chicken I put a little salt at the beginning, but that salt is not enough. Now I will add a little salt. Pepper I will put only a little because of the rice. We don't need too much when we prepare rice preparation. Not sambar rice, not basmati rice, not Chinese rice. We are going to use only red rice. When I use red rice, I have to talk about this red rice a little. See, the red rice when you use, generally we don't have to measure how much we are using. I'll talk about it later. First I'll finish this. I'm putting the rice now. Now we mix this red rice. I am off the cooker. We will dish it out. we'll do a small decoration. Red chili, ripe chili. I have just cut it, put it in ice water and opened it out like a lily. And we will have parsley. Parsley is like curry leaves. We don't throw these leaves. It's very nourishing, good and healthy. You have to have it while you are eating. Don't separate this. Don't go to keep it away, put it away. You have to have with that. We cook with red rice. If you are cooking with sambar rice, if you take 1 cup of rice, 2.5 cups of water and stock you can use. 1.5 cup water, 1 cup stock, like that you can put. 2.5 cups of water or stock or mix and put. That is for sambar. Even for basmati rice, it's going to be for 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 cups of water and mixed stock you can put. If you are making with red rice, you can put enough water, cook the rice, strain it. That's why I didn't put the stock in it. Then what did I do? I used a chicken cube crushed into this now while I was stir frying. Then it gives a better taste. Okay, that was the reason I must tell you, so that it comes nice. We made the fried rice using red rice. I am sure you will love it. It's so nice, so tasty, and of course you will like it because it's nourishing and its vitamins are in this. To give your children, this is going to be the best. And always when you make just normal red rice and curries, won't be tasty. Make it like this and they will love it. Not only that, when they come from school, they like to eat like this. But normal rice and curry, no one will love to eat. So prepare like this and see how it comes. Because this is something best and the better thing that I would say. Because now I showed you this. With another episode, another recipe I will come back. You have to watch nicely and prepare and give for your family.